What's going on? Lucas Davis with MarineMax here at the Lake of the Ozarks. I'm going to be showing you this 2024 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. It is used, MarineMax Certified Pre-Owned. If you have a question with what that means, just call and ask. Let's go, Ben. Let's take a look at this boat. The boat is white with a dune interior. Two 250 outboards on it. It's even got a little swim seat right here. Look at that. You can sit down in the water. Coming around here, you got a really convenient ladder to get up in the boat. But if you're on land, I recommend using stairs. On the rear, you got yourself a little lounger set up. There's even a little spot right here to prop your feet up. I'll give you an example. You can do that. It's pretty cool, pretty comfortable. We're gonna put it back though. Coming back here, we got a beautiful area to hang out. Yacht certified. Fit as many people as you want on here. Just bring enough life jackets. Batteries all located in here. Same thing if your battery switch. Over here, you can use the restroom on your boat, or it can be a large storage area, up to you. Here's your helm. You got yourself a joystick, so anyone can dock this boat. Check out this massive Simrad screen. Cool, you can see how much fuel you got, you can see what speed you're going, you can pull up like a GPS on there. There's all sorts of fun stuff you can do on that boat. If you want more seating at the rear, this scoots back. Same thing with the other side. More seating to the rear. Up here, look at this huge bow area. It's really comfortable. If you have any more questions about this boat, reach out to us.